All right, I'm here again with another interesting update on TikTok ads here on the Ads Manager. By the way, somebody was asking the other time how I get my updates on TikTok ads. Well, it's all about research, and I do think that there is no free research. Sometimes you pay more with your time, sometimes you pay more financially, but it's basically research. Okay, so I bring you another interesting update that will help improve the performance of your ad here on the TikTok Ads Manager. Let's dive into it. So now I want to show you something that has to do with your creative. Okay, anytime you are creating an ad on TikTok using the Ads Manager, you are supposed to know how your ad appears. So I'm going to play something for you, and after that I will explain what this means. So just take a look at this. Now this is a client that I'm trying to set up an ad for. Okay, now do you notice that this one doesn't seem to be active? Likewise this, okay? The only active one is this one, right? So if you check, I would have loved to play each of these videos. Let me just play a bit.
You just found where all the perfume resellers.
Now you might not be hearing what he's saying. This one is not even showing any video at all. This one.
You just found where.
Even though it plays, but if you notice it's not active like this one also plays.
You just found.
Okay, so let me scroll down so you can see better. I wonder why this one is not showing, so let me be sure. I'll refresh, I'll call it up again, just a moment. On a normal, the 4 of them are supposed to be showing, even though not all of them might be active. Okay, so let's scroll down again. Don't worry, I will tell you what I did. Okay, all right, so like I said, the 4 were supposed to be showing and the 4 are showing now, right? So this one was not showing before, but you can see it now. So let me okay. Okay, the network is delaying the play, so but you can see that the 4 are showing. But then look here, if you look here, you see that the way this one appears is different from how this one appears, different from how this one appears, different from how this one appears. Okay, now if you notice in this one there is no picture, right? Now in this one there is picture. This one also have provision for picture, but then it looks a bit different from this one. So this one is only picture and then call to action. This one is picture and then description, then call to action. Can you see? This one is call to action, then description. This one is description, here call to action. Can you see? So these are the 4 major variations, right, that your ad are supposed to have, right? So you need to know at every point in time how your ad is showing to people, to your audience. Okay, so I want to close here, and now let me come to product information. Let me paste something. You can just type anything there, but this is what the product is about. This person, this client sells perfume, right, in wholesale. So it says get your personalized fragrance. Okay, now I want to check the variation again. Now there are 2 ways to check this variation, major ways to check this variation from this interface. Either you click here where it says view all variations, or you click here add variations. So let me click from here. So it brings us to the same place. Now can you see, after I added that product name, this one became active. Can you see now? So if you check, let me scroll down. If you check, you see the product name I added. So it took that product name and added a call to action, or created a call to action with the product name. So you see here, get your personalized fragrance. Okay, so let's return again. So we have 2 active ones now. So let's return again. I want to close this. So let me come here. I want to add a product image. And I want to go with this one. Or let me go with this one, anyone at all. All right, so it has added. So let's go and check again. Remember I told you can check from here or from here. So let's check again. Now, can you see this one is now active? Okay, this one, because we've added a product picture, right? So we have one left to be active. Let's check again. What do I do now? I want to add let me add selling points, a selling point. Let me say free delivery, first 20. Let's see. I will click confirm. So I've added it. You can add more, right? But let me leave it at 1. So let's go check again. Let me click from here. So can you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are now active. Okay, can you see? All of them are now active. Now, if I go and add, let's say I add interactive, let's see whether, okay, this one too. I added something here before. So let me delete this one. And let's see whether it's still active. So 4 of them are active, okay? Even without me adding that interactive add-on, okay? So this is how to set up your ad variations, okay? So that different people will see your ad in different ways. And sometimes this helps, okay? What TikTok does sometimes is that they present a particular variation of your ad to a viewer. Now, if that viewer doesn't take the required action, they will later present another variation of your ad, okay? And they will do that until this person has seen all the variations of your ad. And if this person still doesn't take action, they see that this is not the right audience for your product, okay? So it's important to note this, because if you don't fill up all those, your ad will not have those variations, right? And you might be limited. All right, the performance of your ad might be limited. Okay, so I hope you learned something with this. That's how we make things easy in this training. So if you've not joined the training, TikTok Ads Made Easy, and you're on YouTube seeing this video, check the description of this video to find the link and join the class so that you can gain more than we are sharing here on YouTube. Okay, by the way, if you have any question, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to attend to it. See you in the next update.